Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so the platform accepts your clip. First, make sure the video is vertical and under 60 seconds. This tells YouTube it's a short. Once done, update the app and clear the cache to remove stale session errors and sign into the correct channel. Next, export using MP4 with H. 264 video and AAC audio at 720 x 1280 or higher. These steps avoid common rejection causes and get you to the upload flow quickly. Now you perform the upload and configure metadata to match Shorts rules. Use the upload/create flow or the Shorts camera. Drag your file if on desktop. Make sure your title or description includes hash shorts so the algorithm recognizes format, and set visibility to public or unlisted as needed. Choose a clear thumbnail, add relevant tags, and accurately mark audience settings. Incorrectly labeling as made for kids can block monetization or features. These choices determine discoverability and policy compliance. Finish by monitoring processing and confirming playback on both mobile and desktop apps. This ensures transcoding didn't corrupt the file. Once processing completes, verify captions, end screens, and monetization settings if applicable. If the upload fails, retry after re-exporting at a lower bitrate or different encoder, or toggle visibility from private to unlisted then public to refresh indexing. If problems persist, gather the video ID, exact error messages, and timestamps, then contact YouTube support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.